Ocak 1968. Bu akşamki deneme yayınına başlıyoruz.
A moment is when history embraces the future. What we do is to capture it. 60 years worth of moments. Each brushstrokes on time's canvas. Now eternal. With unwavering integrity. In pursuit of progress, we honor the path. Welcome the horizon. TRT. The memory, the future. All 6 decades shared with Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union. A steadfast pillar of innovation, harmonizing cultures, amplifying voices, transcending borders. Serving 4 billion people, with over 230 members from 65 countries in 5 continents. 60 years of broadcasting partnership, of bridges built, of voices heard. ABU, 60 years unity in diversity. A gathering at the crossroads of tradition and innovation, where ancient stories meet modern dreams. Istanbul. TRT welcomes you to the 2024 ABU General Assembly. The 61st ABU General Assembly and associated meetings, 18th to the 23rd of October 2024, Istanbul, Turkiye. Theme: The Nexus of AI, Broadcasting and Society. TRT and ABU. For 60 years we've led the way. Tomorrow's stories start today.